Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Okpeyemi, and I'm glad to have you here on my YouTube channel once again. So, if you're coming here for the very first time, I want to say thank you very much for joining. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being part of this journey. So, I want to say thank you for coming, and if you don't mind, for the purpose of you getting good feedback, good videos, early videos of every of my content, I'll appreciate your subscription. And for those that are coming here for the second time and my regular subscribers, I want to say thank you for coming to watch my videos again and again and again. So I want to say thank you very much, and I hope you're getting values for your subscription. Yeah. And so for those that are coming for the very first time, what I do here basically is I share information as regards relocation to any country, relocation opportunity of every kind that comes my way, lifestyle, how to grow, anything that has to do with growth and development. That is what I do on this channel. So guys, if you find any of my videos helpful, please do well to share with others. Okay, so today I'm just going briefly, I just want to mention to you, I know a lot of you are aware already that there are a lot of changes in UK. I came into the UK just last year. Yeah, just last year, and I can tell you that there are a lot of changes that has happened in the UK within my short period of staying here. Like several rules, several decisions, several rules, several decisions. Okay, and in UK, yeah, I can assure you, UK government are doing a lot of things. Personally, I feel these rules, decisions, all of these things are quite political. Yeah, it's quite political. Looking into it deeply, it's quite political. I understand the UK government is saying that they want to cut immigration network, immigration, net immigration, but really, they are really cutting it, but they are also doing a lot of disadvantages to some set of people and to some aspect of the economy. Let's look, for example, the international students. These rules are affecting international students. These rules are affecting universities because universities are seriously complaining. These same rules is also these rules are also affecting the health and care sector. Now they don't have enough hands to work in those sector. So how do we explain those rules? How do we explain those rules? Anyway, before I give you the full gist of what I've come here to tell you today, I'm just gonna answer some question. Let me say one question now. Now I've got different messages as regards allocation of COS. Now I need to mention to you guys that the Home Office are still approving COS. So if there's a company you've applied to and you've been told that COS is coming, they are waiting COS from the Home Office and blah blah blah, guys, Home Office is still approving COS. But a step ahead now, after your employer has done an interview with you and maybe giving you an offer of employment, the extra length the Home Office is doing now is that the Home Office will also do an interview with you. They will also have an interview with you. They will have interview with the employee. So you can imagine the extent to which. So these are some of the things that delay or that make the allocation of COS kind of longer. But the truth is, the Home Office still approves COS. They might have to, contact the employer, do their own interview, make some inquiries and all of that. But definitely, another thing is Home Office only give COS, only allocate COS to companies that meet the requirements. You know, Home Office is setting several standards, and your company have to meet up with that standard to be able to get the COS from the Home Office. So guys, Home Office is approving COS, no doubt. But one thing I've also observed about companies is that they don't like to, give it the COSs out as they receive them. They might just want to, relax, have some time before giving out COS. But I can assure you, COS is been allocated. So if you are expecting COS from a particular company, keep asking them, keep sending a reminder. And if you are new and you are looking into getting a COS, keep applying for jobs. The truth is, some companies will tell you that there is no COS at the moment. Some will tell you that um, they are not recruiting at the moment. Personally, I'm just saying this. If your company is interested in you and they can even reply your mail, so if they reply to say they are currently not recruiting foreign healthcare, whatever, foreign healthcare um, workers, you can tell them that, can you send your mails? Can you resend your mails later in the month or next month? Just raise, you know, so that they can know that you are. And you can also give reasons to why you want to, and just a way of letting them know that you don't mind waiting for their feedback. Yeah, that you don't mind waiting for their feedback, as regards the allocation of COS. So that way, you might just be put on a special list and you might be contacted later. You never can tell. It's just an extra link that I think you might want to look into. Okay, so COS is still available. See, Home Office is still giving out COS, but you also should be ready to have an interview with with the Home Office. You never can tell. Never can tell. And there's a new development now. I'm gonna share this with you from my screen. Now it says there's a concern that 83% there is over 83% decline in health and care visa application. You know what that means? 83% decline. Now let me just read this for you. Now it says social care leaders have warned of the catastrophic impact that visa tightening policies have had on the sector, as new figures lay bare the extent health and care visa applications have plummeted in the last year. It comes as, since 11th March 2024, overseas care workers and senior care workers have been banned from bringing dependents, including partners and children, with them on their visa. The controversial policy, first announced in December 2023, came as part of a host of measures by the Home Secretary James Cleverly to try and curb the number of immigrant workers in the UK. Yeah, we all know that during that period, December 2023, last year, it was a serious banter. Serious banter. So, of course, the UK government have been able to achieve cutting, inflow of immigrants. But now let's listen to this. It says, latest Home Office figure have now shown that just 2,400 people applied for a skilled worker health and care visa in March 2024, compared to 14,300 in March 2023. Do you see? A year after, it's an 83% drop. And that is a lot. It means people are no longer showing interest in the social and healthcare visa because they can't bring dependent anymore. So meanwhile, some 13,200 people applied to be dependent on the visa in March 2024, compared to 16,700 in the same month, that is previous month. That is a 20% decline. And the data also revealed that in the sixth month leading up the policy coming into force, applications halved compared to previous 6 months. So you can imagine, people stop applying, people stop coming over, people stop embracing the social care worker visa, and it's a bad signal. The government, in their own corner, will say they've been able to achieve their goal, cutting immigration, but at the same time, it's giving a negative vibe on another hand. Between April and December and September 2023, the number of people applying for health and care visa was 88,800, However, between October 2023 and March 2024, this number dropped by 54% to 40,800, from 88,800 to 40,800. This drop comes despite the fact care services in England continue to rely on overseas recruitment to plug workforce gaps in a sector that has more than 152,000 vacancies. Do you see that? Over 152,000 vacancies. Now, this is to say that there are still a lot of vacancies here in the UK for this same health and social care visa. There are still a lot of vacancies open. But if you look into this matter, you will understand that the government does not have a choice than to open the immigration window again. Hence, there will still be loads of vacancies in this sector. So this is to say that there is a green light at the end of the tunnel. Why did I say green light? Anyway, there's a light. There is light at the end of the tunnel. The truth is, I don't even know who left, who, who didn't put the light in between the tunnel, and just put the light at the end of the tunnel. Either way, there is still hope that this window, this social healthcare visa will still be open. Let me give you this before we go. During 2023, the independent social care sector recruits 70,000 internationally educated workers into direct care provided roles, up to 50,000 from the year before. When the policy was first announced by Mr. Cleverly, social care leaders sounded the alarm that tightening visa rules risked losing thousands of overseas applicants who are essential to plugging workforce gap in the sector. So, guys, currently they feel they've achieved a goal. But the healthcare system is telling the government that you are doing us a lot of harm than good. So this is the good news. There's possibility that what the UK government have always done is that even from past years, once they make a rule and they wait to see the effect, to see the feedback or the effect of what the rule they've made, then most times they go back to the table, make amendment on that same rule, and most of the time it favors the immigrant and the government. So let's hope that this will be the gist again this time. Let's hope that that will be the gist again this time. So now it says the situation is now likely to become even more dire for a sector wholly reliant on its overseas workforce to fill in the vacancy chasm. Unless the government gets a grip soon, reforms care, and boost wages for its highly skilled workforce, the situation will soon become catastrophic. No government will want health and social care sector to become catastrophic. However, the Home Office has defended its decision to implement policies that aim to cut immigration to the UK. Commenting on figures, Mr. Cleverly said the data has shown significant fall in numbers on the first of our measures to take effect, while underlining why necessary action was taken to cut unsustainable numbers of care worker dependents. This does not mark the end of our road in our plan to cut migration. There is still more to come. Over the coming months, we will continue to show you the pace of our progress and to deliver the control the public rightly expects. Now, long and short in this video, don't be discouraged about the rules that are being announced at every point or the other. Like I said to you, these rules will be revisited and it will be reviewed to favor you. So I'm just going to encourage you. If you're applying to jobs, or you're applying for jobs rather, please make sure you are applying for these jobs yourself. I had several communications today and that cut across, applying for jobs, relocating abroad and all of that. And guys, please, you don't need anybody to help you with immigration. You don't need it. As long as you got the job, you don't need anyone for visa processing. You don't need anyone for visa, whatever. Okay, I can say it to your face. Nobody helped me with mine. From the beginning to the end, I didn't have any immigration officer or whatever. That's why you have somebody like me. If you know there are things you need to know about, ask in the comment section. Drop your question, drop your inquiries, drop your concerns. I'm gonna be there to reply to your messages. One of the reasons these videos have been, uploaded here is to let you know that you can do a lot of all these things without a lawyer, without any immigration officer. That you have to spend money on again. A lot of people are really sweating to make this money to relocate. Some have to sell their properties, sell what they've worked for years, and then you will now spend most of the money paying, immigrants. Some people will even dupe you and just scam you round away with your money. You don't need them. Do the things you are asked to do according to the video. Follow those procedures. If you need any question or inquiries or you need clarification, come to the comment section. Drop your inquiries, drop your question. You know, some people ask, okay, how can I reach out to you? Just send a mail or just write in the comment section. I will be there to attend to it. It doesn't have to be, some might not have to be, a private time. Your question might be what we, just enlighten somebody else in the comment section. So please, guys, when it comes to your location, you open up. I don't know, some people just hide information that are quite necessary for them to know. Please, you need to speak up if you are not clear about something. So guys, on today's video, I'm just gonna be stopping here. We don't have much for today, and I just wish everyone applying for job best of luck. And sincerely, I am hoping that this year these rules will be amended. Yes, these rules will be amended. I am very sure of that. So guys, write your CV by yourself. Know the content of your CV so that if peradventure you get a call from the home office, if you can't defend yourself, you don't have what to say, it means the fault is yours. So please guys, if you find this video helpful, please, you can just, give a like. Please just like this video so that YouTube can also recommend it to people who needs to see it. So guys, I'm gonna stop here in today's video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day or night. Have a wonderful time. See you guys later. Bye.